morning, class. Today we're going to be talking about genocide. I hope that everyone has done the required reading for this week and is prepared to engage in class discussions and share their ideas about what we're going to do today. All right, so today I'm going to give you guys 3 handouts. One is going to be a table that is going to let me know how much you retained from your readings for this class. The 2 other documents you'll be using in your pair share activities. First, we're going to complete the table handout. I'll give you around 5 minutes to fill it out, and then we're going to regroup and pair off, and I'll explain that when you guys are done. All right, class, now that everyone has completed their handouts and reflected upon the readings for this class, we're going to be watching a short video on the Rwanda genocide. I expect all of you to be taking notes and thinking about a question, if you have one, to ask after the video. All right, class, now that we've watched the video on the Rwanda genocide, does anyone have any questions, concerns? What did they think about it? Yes, Catherine.
I want to know how many people died because of the Rwanda genocide.
Well, that's a very good question. Approximately 800,000 people died as a result of the Rwanda genocide, but it is also important to be mindful of the mass exodus of refugees from Rwanda, so we have to know what happened to them as well.
Okay.
All right, class. So now we're going to be starting the second part of our activity on the Rwanda genocide. We're going to be looking at 2 documents that are related to Rwanda genocide, and we're going to be analyzing them from the perspective of either the Hutus or the Tutsis. So I'm going to be numbering you guys off as either number 1 or 2 with the corresponding group, and then you're going to analyze your articles from that perspective and pair off with someone of the same group as you, and that'll take around 5-10 minutes. Okay? So Catherine is going to be 1, 2, 1, 2. So now we're going to all engage in a pair share activity where the Hutus and the Tutsis are going to come together in a group of 4. So the teammates you're with are going to pair up with one of an opposite group. Okay, and we're going to discuss compare and contrast perspectives, because in the end we're all Rwandans, right? Right. All right, let's get moving. Okay, so now I want everyone to regroup, move your chairs around, okay? So we're gonna just share our ideas on what we learned today. And so I'm gonna ask you briefly now what you guys think. So so do you think that learning about the genocide is important? Can somebody answer me this question?
Yes, it's important to understand the patterns of the past and prevent future genocides.
Very good.
Fair. I also have something to add to this. I just want to say that it also helps us understand how some groups can either use their power for either good or bad, or if they could have used their power, this is basically what will happen.
Very good. Yes, Oksana?
I wouldn't really change my point of view, just because I think that there are a lot of different ways of understanding conflicts such as genocide, but I do think that we should be aware of the different inhumane things that happen in the world.
Okay, class, now that we've done this activity, we've watched the video on the Rwanda genocide, and we've done our course readings, I hope that all of you have retained that adopting different perspectives in history enables us to get a more holistic understanding of what goes on in the world, especially in an example so violent as genocide. And now, since this information is fresh on your minds, I would like all of you to complete these questions that I said prior in written format for approximately a page in length, and it is due next class. All right? So you're dismissed. Have a good day.